Hello guys, welcome in Technology Welfare. Let's see, you have already mentioned the comment below the comment box that what is the speed of hotspot that I have uploaded on my channel. So see, that's hotspot Wi-Fi speed at the moment I will check up live, that's what MB. At the moment actually I have the connected more than 2-3 devices from this hotspot Wi-Fi. So just I will go for minimize and I will go for checkup. So let's see, just I will go in a YouTube now. I will go for download any song. So let's see. See guys, this video I would like to download and I will check up that what is the speed of this hotspot. Let's see. See guys, it's a 27.21 MB size of this data. Now see what is the speed of this, more than approximately 4 MB per second. Just let's see another video. See, I will go for download this SD quality. Total data size is approximately 41.99 MB. Now let's see. Now see guys, it's approximately 3 MB per second and I have connected 2-3 devices from this Wi-Fi hotspot. So, and it's a depend on a, of course, server as well as network of that's the SIM companies. So see, I have already mentioned to you, this is actually Geo SIM that I have inserted. This is a multi-inserting hotspot. So you can insert any SIM of any companies where there is a good frequency of any company, that SIM you can insert and you will get a good speed here. Sometimes the Geo server is not good around this area surrounding, so that's why actually we getting a little slower speed, that sometimes we getting less than 3 MB per second, but always we getting more than 4-5 MB per second per device. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. I have already shown you here in this video tutorial that what is the speed of this Wi-Fi hotspot. So guys, this video has acknowledged to you in any way, then don't forget like and subscribe to my channel, so because this is the thing that will inspire me to make more and more video for education purpose. So thank you guys, have a great time, bye bye, see you in next video tutorial.